As we're closing in on the halftime of 2023, it's about time for another channel update. And today, I've got some really exciting news for you. Hey there underwater filmmakers, what's going on? It's great to see you back here with us for today's channel update. You might have noticed that the studio behind me looks a little different to normal. There is a very good reason for that, and I'm very happy to share that reason with you later on in the video as the last news points for today. So make sure to stick around to the very end. But first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you to every single one of you, as we have recently reached the 9,000 subscriber mark here on the channel, which makes me incredibly happy. I know, 9,000 is really a small number compared to some other channels out there in the YouTube universe, but we have been growing over the past couple of years constantly, and it just fills my heart with joy seeing that our little community is constantly and ever growing, and that more and more people are enjoying taking their underwater adventures or capturing their underwater adventures on videos, and that they want to learn how to do that properly. So again, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for all your support, and we are well on the course of reaching our 10,000 subscriber mark at the end of this year. Now, just a quick update here. We have two workshops that are announced at the moment. One is in the Maldives in late November, early December this year, and we still have a couple of spots left there. If you haven't seen my recent video of my trip to the Maldives earlier this year, you can check it out. I'll link it up here and down in the video description below. So you can go and check that out to see what might be waiting for you if you decide to join us on the trip to the Maldives in November, December this year. And as I said, there is a few spots still left there. The other trip that is announced is our Indonesia trip to Bali and Komodo, and there we really have the last few spots available. So if you want to be on that trip, that is a co-hosted trip of myself and James from Divers Ready, you got to be really quick because there's really just the last few spots available there, and I'm pretty sure that they will go quite quickly. And last but not least, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or shall I say, the dive fork in the room. This is the setup that we've used for the past 2 weeks, where Sebastian and myself have been working very hard on creating a completely new online course. And guess what it's about? Correct, dive fork. We call the course Mastering Your Dive Fork C-Touch 4 Max, the underwater smartphone housing produced by Dive Fork. You've probably heard of it, you might even have one. It's the housing that allows you to use the full touchscreen capability of your smartphone. Now, this is a course that we are creating in collaboration, in direct collaboration with the people at Dive Fork, and it will act as the official Dive Fork course that will be also available on their website to help people, once they buy their dive fork housing, to get the most out of their dive fork system and to be able to capture good looking photos and videos underwater. We've literally just finished with all of the video productions for the course 2 days ago, and now next we're going to be going into the post-production. This is going to be taking us a little while too, because there's just so much content that we've created and so much knowledge that we've put into this course, and we want to make sure that it looks nice and pretty before we present it to you. So we're planning on having everything ready for publication around mid-September. Of course, we'll let you know about the updates of the course and when it gets released as well. I'm incredibly excited to announce this course, and I can't wait to show you the finished online course for Mastering Your Dive Fork C-Touch 4 underwater smartphone housing. I think it's going to be something that is going to help a lot of you actually getting the most out of using your smartphone in that specific housing when capturing your underwater adventures. And this is all that I had prepared to share with you today. I hope there was some bits and pieces that were interesting to you. And if you do have any questions regarding anything that I was talking about today, you know what to do. Put your questions down in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to get back to you as quickly as I can. As always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, well, now is a good time to do so. Hit that subscribe button, don't forget the notification bell, and if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have an awesome week. Keep capturing your amazing underwater adventures, and I can't wait to see you back here next week.